So we have discussed about extrude tool. Okay, I'll just erase everything. So erase all. Now I will use the tool called Presspull. Okay, so let us draw a rectangle. Specify corner anywhere in the drawing area. Okay, so I'll just provide the length and width. So let's say this is 200, 300, enter. Then I'll just use Presspull. Okay, I'll just select this object. Okay, and then I'll just provide the height, say 250. Okay, so this is somewhat similar to extrusion, but then it has its special uh, operation, like it is under the edit panel. Okay, so that's the press pull. Okay, so let us draw a rectangle in this surface. So I would like to create a rectangle again. So I'll just use the rectangle tool, and then make sure if you want to draw a rectangle anywhere on this surface, okay, make sure that face is highlighted. Okay, so let's say this on this face I would draw a rectangle, and make sure to use object snap tools like endpoint, midpoint, and so on. So let's try a midpoint. There's a triangle in the middle and the face is highlighted, so I'll just select this midpoint. Okay, and then another midpoint here. Okay, it will snap to that midpoint. Okay, and then I'll use press pull again. So I'll just select this region. Okay, it's either pulling out to give an extrusion or pressing it up to that corner. Okay, so that this portion will be removed. Okay, so if I'm going to try it here, I just click to that endpoint or corner, so that surface or that 3D extrusion or pulls is being pressed and it will be removed. So I just click it here. Okay, then you can erase object. Okay, so this object here, oops, select this one, erase. Okay, so that's the use of press pull. Again, I'll just draw a rectangle, let's say on this top face or on anywhere on this top face. Let's say on this top face of this one, make sure that it is highlighted. Okay, then the endpoint, then I'll just click on that endpoint. Okay, and then I'll provide length, let's say 50 by let's see 75, enter. Okay, so if you want to create a 3D model, so I'll just use press pull, select that region. If you're going to move it upward, okay, it will give you an extrusion of that height, so let's say 100, enter. Okay, and then you can also press pull any close boundary surface, let's say this one. You can select that immediately because it is a closed boundary, so let's say 30 height, 30. Okay, then I could select that rectangle, that the one that I have drawn earlier. Okay, then I would erase that one. Okay, also similarly you could draw a circle, let's say anywhere among this surface, let's say on this surface. So I'll just specify this point here. Okay, then let's try to create 30. Then let us press pull this region circular, then I could snap it to this endpoint. So notice I have created a hole in it. Okay, so press pull is somewhat you are adding or removing some portions of your on your model. Okay, similarly, if you wanted to draw using line on this top surface here or at the back surface, you need to change the orientation using the back. Okay, so you could draw a line, let's say line here, wait, just cancel it. Then I'll just draw a line on this surface. So let's say on this corner, then I could create here, then this one, then close boundary triangle. Okay, then I'll just press pull, select that triangle, then you can click it to the vertex, or you could provide a depth or extrusion of the height. Okay, let's say 50, enter. Okay, you'll notice that the portion that you have provided a 50 depth is being removed. Okay, so I'll just erase that rectangle. Oops. Select that line, and also this line. Okay, so that you could erase. Okay, that's the use of Presspull. Then I'll go back to the southeast. Okay, so that's the usage of Presspull. So another try. Let's try a rectangle on this top face here. Okay, make sure that the face, okay, where you want to draw is highlighted. Okay, so let's try on this face and point. It's being snapped up to its midpoint. Okay, and then I'll just press pull, select this one, then going downward, let's say 180, enter. Okay, so that portion is being pressed, and that is okay. So that is press pull.